Hey guys, welcome back. It's Bridget and today I'm showing you how to do 3 different inexpensive art pieces and tips for styling each.
The first one uses acrylic paint and a paint scraper. I first taped off the sides with a low tack tape to make a clean border. I want to create 2 pieces of art that coordinate but aren't exactly the same. To achieve this, I'm picking out a cohesive color palette that will tie into each. Squirt a generous amount of paint onto your paper. With your paint scraper, apply moderate pressure as you drag it across the paper. Peel your tape and you're ready to frame. I chose to style them in the same frame for a more cohesive look. Because of the cool neutrals of the paint colors, I chose to bring in some warm wood accents to elevate the look. The next piece uses only yarn and hot glue. It's as simple as painting thin lines with your glue gun and following it with your yarn. Press down firmly. I found it's quicker if you pre-cut all your pieces and make sure to leave extra on the sides. Glue down your sides and trim off the excess yarn. Layering pieces on a shelf is a great way to style artwork. Add various size objects for visual interest, and an organic plant or foliage adds softness to the hard lines of the frame. The last art piece was inspired by a fabric I fell in love with. This is a great way to display a fabric with a lot of personality. Simply lay out your fabric and flip a canvas over. Staple the sides of the fabric nice and tight so there are no air pockets. This mid-century inspired fabric made a great accent piece for behind my bar cart. Just add decor, a plant, and your favorite drink. Cheers!